The final day of the event brought with it pulsating action as the pugilists fought blow to blow, fighting for top honors. There was no quarter given and none asked for. While there was disappointment for the local boxers, Chinese and Syrians prevailed.
باكستان هي المرة الثانية بجي لباكستان، جيت المرة الأولى 2006 وما كان توفيق اللي خسرت في المباراة الأولى، والحمد لله 2010 صلنا للحظ إنه نيجي نحضر البطولة وناخذ الأول بجدارة الحمد لله، ونتمنى الفوز لكل الأشقاء الأجانب والعرب والكل اللي شارك بهذه البطولة، والتنظيم كان أكثر من رائع. شكرا لكم.
Yeah, happy, very much.
Okay, and what about your boxing? The final, tell us about final. You fight well? Boxing? Bout?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah? Yeah, okay, great. I'm now with Wissam from Syria, who's won a silver medal in the 57 kg category. Let's hear from him then. Wissam, how did you perform in the tournament? You happy you won the silver medal?
Little. I'm happy. I'm happy in Pakistan. Okay. I'm champion very good. Champion very good. People Pakistan very good. Very good. I'm love Pakistan.
Boxing, your fight. Yeah.
Final boxer Thailand. Thailand very quickly. Okay. I'm here with Mohammad Umar, the Cameroonian boxer who's won his final bout by a huge margin of 15-0. He also converted to Islam during this tournament. And Brother Umar, a great privilege to have you with us. A great fight. Tell us how you feel.
Well, I feel good. I'm training hard to be the best. Now I'm very happy to my fight. Yes.
Now you are a Muslim, mashallah. How does it feel converting and winning your final, destroying your opponent in the final?
Allahu Akbar. I say only this all Allahu Akbar. Only God.
Mohib Bacha of Pakistan has won the first gold for the country. He's won his gold in 48 kg light flyweight. Now he's standing next to me. Mohib, बहुत मुबारक हो. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? शानदार परफॉर्मेंस रही है आपकी टूर्नामेंट में.
खैर मुबारक. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मेरा पहला इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट था और मैं इसमें फाइनल जीत गया हूँ, और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मैं बयान नहीं कर सकता हूँ, और इंशाल्लाह मैं आगे और मेहनत करूँगा ताकि अपने मुल्क के लिए और मेडल ला सकूँ.
कैसा लगा आपको जब पाकिस्तान का तराना बजा और आप वहाँ पे विक्ट्री स्टैंड पे खड़े थे और आपके हाथ में ये गोल्ड मेडल है इस टूर्नामेंट का, तो अब कैसा लग रहा है आपको? क्या आपकी मेहनत रंग लाई है? इतनी आपने मेहनत की है?
बेशक मैंने तो मेहनत किया है कि आज मैं अपने मुल्क के लिए पहला नंबर पे खड़ा और मेरे मुल्क का तराना बजा, और मैं बयान नहीं कर सकता हूँ कि मुझे इतनी खुशी हुई जो आजकल मुल्क हालात चल रहे हैं, और इसमें मैं खेल के ये मेडल हासिल किया, बहुत खुशी हो रहा है.
The star of the final day was British boxing sensation with Pakistani roots, Amir Khan, the world welterweight champion. I'm here with Amir Khan, the pride of England and the pride of Pakistan. He's here to witness the final at the Benazir International Boxing Tournament. Amir, welcome to Karachi, welcome to the KBD Sports Complex. How does it feel to be here, part of this boxing tournament?
Oh, you know, it's brilliant to be here. It reminds me when I was here, you know, when I was as an amateur, and to see all these amateur fighters here, you know, they're so happy to see me, taking pictures with me, and I'm happy to be here as well. I think it's a brilliant thing that, you know, we're doing the Shaheed of Benazir Bhutto's international tournament. We had 22 nations here. I think it's good for Pakistan. It's an international tournament, and, you know, mashallah, I'm very happy to be here.
We even got the likes of Hussain Shah, Pakistan's pride. He's won the bronze medal in Seoul Olympics. So how does it feel like? Hussain Shah, did you ever watch him? Was he an inspiration for you?
Yeah, Hussain Shah was professional in England, and now he's in Japan boxing over there. I think he's a great fighter. You know, he's a great fighter, and now he's a coach. And I'm sure he's had 3 world champions in Japan, and I'm sure he can be a big help to the Pakistani boxing, just like I will be.
Pakistan won a solitary gold, 3 silvers and 8 bronze medals in the competition. But for the Boxing Federation, the staging of the tournament without any untoward incident was a huge success in itself. The tournament has come to an end and no untoward incidents whatsoever. A fantastic exhibition of boxing. What are your feelings?
I'm feeling honored. It's a great feeling, and the credit goes to Pakistan Boxing Federation. They have done a very great job, and 24 countries participants were here, 5 countries delegates were here, and I thank them all coming here. In this situation, the Pakistan, nobody was willing to come here. Then we convinced the national federations of all the countries. Then they were agreed to come here. The government was involved. The Indian government was not letting the Indian players go here, but we convinced them, and now they are here. And peacefully, we have done a great job, and peacefully, it's done now.
China won the tournament with a tally of 4 gold medals, with Syria standing second with a brace of golds. In all, the 8-day event was a victory for all, those who had believed in the sporting spirit. Let us salute all our guests who had travelled to Pakistan in a challenging environment and gave it their all to spread the message of peace, love and brotherhood.